Why was the first level the hardest one? Oh, this goes on too long! I don't want to do this anymore. It ate her clothes off. I would like to do that. No, I wouldn't. She looks like... What's her face? Obviously turns the platforms off. She looks like Rydia. Hup, hup. What was that? What happened? Oh! Red crystal. It's gonna kill me. Obviously. Can you stop that? These clothes are very expensive. This game was very expensive. I don't know how much it costed because I got it in a bundle thing. It wasn't worth it. Hurry! Before the chicken turns it off. Hup! No! Go on then, kill me. Oh, it didn't. What? Oh! Maybe I have to pick up the crystal. Who knows? Who gives a monkey? Do you even do anything? No. Hup! Bye. No. So like, oh, did I miss my one chance at happiness? Excusez-moi, Mr. Fruitcake Power. God, everything's suddenly out of timing, even though it isn't. Oh! Speedrun. Speedrun. Everything is out of timing! No, I'm just doing it different. Lucky bitch. Oh, what? I don't know. That's more like it, as in lick it. Lick it for me right now. Run. As if that wasn't the most obvious thing you had to do. Is there anything hidden? That wasn't even like a trick or anything. Neither was that, yet was. That was just like typical game. So what okay, that jumps. I was gonna say, what falls here? But nothing. It was the complete opposite, actually. Up. Oh, there's another one. No, it's just in multiple places at the same time. Bonk. Boing! Hello? Absolute power. Hello? You're never there when I need you to be, are ya? Up! How are you meant to do that? Pardon me. I guess I've got to wait for it to fall off the edge. I hate it when a game takes its own pace. I mean, I hate it when you have to go at the game's pace. Bye then. And then something else kills you suddenly. Whoa, sexy. No, not quite. What? No, it's just some kind of big fat Boyd. Billy Boyd. Oh, there we go. That works. Run! Oh! What a surprise. It wasn't though. Hup. Meow. Yeah. Charge. Charge your life away. Right, what do I do here? Do you jump? So I have to bounce on your head and get up there? No. Then this is very strange, and Where did you come from? The same place it always came from. Backside alley. What? Stop saying what? You silly tot. Na 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 na. Bye. Ah! Dar. Okay. No, okay, I thought the floor exploded when I landed on it. One of the blocks did, so I don't know what's going on. Oh, it just jumps anyway. Why? Why? What? Oh wait, there's a vase, as in a vase down there. Suddenly someone is having a lovely day. I might have to close the window. It's too hot in here though. No, it isn't. Up! What? Why did he suddenly kill me when I land on his head? Look! He's not supposed to. What? He has the most retarded hitbox apparently. Where is your hitbox? It is right there, where I expected it to be. I need to go down into that vase. I thought you pronounced it as vase. No. That was just me being weird. Can I even... Wait. No, wait. I've obviously got to bounce off him when he's falling down. But, you know, it's just a bit dodgy. Trying to do that. Oh! Oh, what? There's safety. Oh! That's exactly how it goes. Bird butt. Okay, whatever. It's obviously just a trap. What a surprise. What a shock! Get it? Because it's shocking. What's the point? What is the point of hiding that so well? As in not well at all. What? You don't even need to... Whatever. So, what do I do here? That explodes. Do I need you for something? Oh wait. Oh! I should have known. I should have flippendoing known. But now I know. I know now what I did not know then. How easy. Up! Oh! Chibbly Lombob is here to stay. Who is that? I don't know. Don't know if I've ever talked about him before. No, I didn't mean to kill you. Hup, 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 hup. No. Hup, 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 hup. Is that it? Oh! I see. Hup. Hup, hup. 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 Bye. Oh! Anal region. Hello? I've gone miles off the land. So it would certainly seem I had the right idea. Now it's just getting the timing to do it. You're an idiot, sir. So, I pretty much gotta kill him after he goes through this. No! I don't know. Because there's no way I can break through these, is there? Not sure. Clearly I need the bomb first. Wait, no. Fine. Oh! God! We will bomb you. No, I can't even. Wow. I don't know. I kind of feel like I need the bomb to blow up the blocks down there. But oh well, you know. Wait, no, what am I doing? Wait. Oh, I know exactly what I'm doing. I was going to say, what am I doing? Throw the bouncy mushroom into that little pit there. But no, because, you know, stuff. Wait. No, that's not what I wanted to... Oh, he came down the pit with me, now it's a pit of sex. Oh no. Oh no! As in, oh yum.